Contrasting semi-final victories for former champions Harbour and first-time finalist Dunbeholden ensured that a new champion will be crowned in the Jamaica Premier League this season. Now, this follows Wednesday night's return leg semis at Sabina Park.
Dunbeholden are in their fourth season of the competition and held a 1-0 lead against defending champions Cavalier heading into the clash, which quickly blossomed with a sumptuous finish from Kimoni Bailey. But what Bailey did was bettered by Cavalier's Dwayne Atkinson on the stroke of half-time. It was still advantage for the St. Catherine-based club, and that was extended with a scorcher from the league's joint top scorer, Ataforoy Bygrave. 3-1, and Cavalier looked down and out after 56 minutes. However, on the hour mark, the champions started a rescuing act through Kimani Gibbons, who crashed one past Damian Hyatt before turning provider for Ronaldo Webster 4 minutes later. The contest was now turning out to be a thriller, which had several more twists after full time. The drama was elevated by Bygrave, who got his brace in extra time and put Dunbeholden in front again 3 minutes into the opening stanza. In their time of need, Cavalier found a king to bail them out. Richard King with a wonder strike that sent the game into the dreaded penalty shootout at 4-3 on the day and 4-all overall. Both teams fluffed their first kicks from the spot, but Dunbeholden were ruthless with the remaining efforts to win 4-2 and send the champions packing.
The game with a 1-love lead went up 2-love, and then we made some silly mistakes. Silly mistakes. We've been making that mistake from Sunday, leaving that number 20 free, and he hurt us today. But the players dug themselves in. They are fighters, and we kept the fighters on the field, and the result is as we saw. I'm proud of them. Very, very proud of them.
I feel good about the performance. We just stick to the task and follow the coach instruction. We tell the community that we're going to make history and we're going to do it for them, so that's happening tonight.
Harbourview's coach Ludlow Bernard is now on course to win 3 trophies this season following their 2-1 aggregate win over the league toppers Waterhouse. Shaquille Bradford leveled the tie for the Jerusalem-based team on the stroke of half-time. But Nicholas Hamilton once again planted a dagger in the chest of Waterhouse with a fine strike 6 minutes from time to score both goals in the tie.
You know, I didn't really want it to trumpet that one just as yet. I really wanted to keep it quiet until Sunday, but since you're already saying it, yes, that is a personal ambition that I have. And of course, I think it would be a very good achievement. But right now, the more important thing is for Harbourview Football Club to get title number 5.
Waterhouse is the team that have scored the most goals against in the Premier League. So coming out from the semi-final, I was like, yo, I haven't had a good season, so I have to come in the semi-final and stepped up big against this Waterhouse team because they're a very good team.
The Stars of the East will be hunting a first title since 2013, while Dunbeholden are in their first final. The final is set for 5 p.m. on Sunday at Sabina Park. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.